Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Love sneakers, streetwear, or exclusive items but don't want to pay full price? Let's find the best StockX promo codes to save on your next purchase. First of all, visit a trusted coupon site like RetailMeNot or coupons.com. Search for StockX promo codes to check out the latest discounts and offers. After that, look for codes offering percentages of free shipping or even first time buyer discounts. For example, you might find codes like welcome 10 for 10% off your first purchase. And then copy the code and head to the StockX website and your desired items to the card, and during checkout paste the code into the promo box to see your savings applied. Always verify the terms and conditions. Some codes might be limited to specific products order amounts. If one doesn't work, try another trusted source for more option. With StockX promo codes, you can get the style you love at the price you will love even more. Why wait? Start saving today. Like, share, subscribe for more money saving tips. Stay stylish without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching.